Mastering the move, the duck walk in English. Hello, English explorers. Today, we're diving into a fun and quirky phrase that you might have heard or seen in action. We're going to unfold the meaning behind the duck walk. Whether you're an English learner, a dance enthusiast, or just curious about colorful expressions, you're in the right place. Let's waddle through this together and find out why even ducks have a place in English idioms. When we think of a duck, what comes to mind is probably a cute, waddling bird, right? Well, in English, when we say someone is doing a duck walk, we are picturing a person imitating that same waddling gait. Specifically, it involves squatting down, keeping the heels off the ground, and walking forward while maintaining this squatting position. But it's not just a literal move. The duck walk can be a playful term used in various contexts. Let's explore where you might see or use this expression. Exercise and fitness. In the world of fitness, a duck walk might be part of a workout routine. It's known for being a challenging leg exercise that can help improve lower body strength and balance. Music and dance. Have you ever watched a rock and roll performance? The duck walk is also famously associated with the legendary guitarist Chuck Berry, who popularized this move on stage. It's a spirited, showy maneuver that adds flair to a performance. Military training. In a completely different setting, the duck walk is sometimes used in military training. Recruits might be required to perform this walk as part of physical training or during medical examinations to demonstrate joint mobility. Everyday use. And in everyday conversation, if you hear someone saying, "I had to duck walk to get through the low entrance," they're using it to describe the action they took to adapt to a small or uncomfortable space. So, what does this phrase tell us beyond the physical move? The duck walk signifies adaptability, a sense of humor, and a connection to cultural touchstones like music and fitness. By understanding this term, you not only learn about a physical action but also get a glimpse into English-speaking culture. We hope you enjoyed this stroll through the meaning of the duck walk. It's a phrase that captures the playful side of English and shows how language can be as dynamic and fun as a dance move. Keep practicing your English, and maybe try out a duck walk yourself. It's a great party trick and a fantastic workout. Until our next linguistic adventure, keep learning and stay quacking.